Have you ever thought of making $1 every time you post a short video in which all you're expected to do is answer a simple question? In this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly earn money within the next hour so you can use the money to reinvest it in any money making strategy or your current online business to scale it up. Hi, I'm Winston the Solopreneur Warrior, and I want to start by asking you if you've ever wondered getting paid for your opinion, just like on paid surveys but without you typing in the answers. Well, now you can. In this video, I'm going to show you a cool app you can use to earn quick money by answering survey questions with short 15 seconds videos. Now, anyone with a mobile phone can do this, but before we get into all that, if this is your first time to this channel and you're interested in making monies online as an affiliate marketer just starting out from scratch, make sure to hit that subscribe button and let's get started. Now, the app you need to start doing your video surveys and start making money from is called VoxPopMe. This is a mobile app that will help you create short videos for product owners, services, and advertisers. Here are some of the popular brands that are paying the VoxPopMe app service for the video surveys that they collect for them. So basically, here is how it works. A brand like Coca-Cola might want to do a survey on how people react on their new drink, for example. Now, to get that data on how people react, Coca-Cola might want to pay a survey service like VoxPopMe to ask you, the registered members, a simple question about the drink. When you record yourself answering that question, depending on how many questions you answer and how long, you get paid part of the money Coca-Cola paid to the survey app service, which in this case is the VoxPopMe survey service. That means the VoxPopMe survey app is making money from Coca-Cola, and Coca-Cola on the other hand is getting marketing data from you through the VoxPopMe platform, and you also get paid from VoxPopMe, a win-win-win situation. Now, the type of questions also asked are very simple and basic questions like, what is your favorite NFL team, for example? Here are some examples of the type of answers people are giving.
I love the Philadelphia Eagles because they're my hometown team and I've been following them my whole life. It looks like a good team on paper. However, they've been underachieving and hopefully they'll turn it around soon because we need to win the Super Bowl this year.
Being in Lambeau is the most amazing experience, to just sit in the field, be freezing, but you're with everyone else cheering on the best team.
I love the Saints team because it's been my favorite team for the past 3 years. It's my dad's favorite team. I kind of follow them because my dad's obsessed.
So all you have to do within the app is select the question you like most from the paid live stream questions and record yourself answering the question. There is actually no right or wrong answer. As you have seen from the video clip examples, each video has to be just 15 seconds long. However, some questions might require you to answer for up to 60 seconds long for even more payout. Now, to make this happen, you really don't need any additional equipment to do this. A basic inbuilt mobile microphone and camera will get the job done for you. I guess you'll quickly agree with me here that it's way more easier to speak directly into your phone than you typing or writing out your survey answers. In the app, you also have the opportunity to re-record your videos in a case where you have made a mistake during your first recording. So to get the VoxPopMe app is very easy and simple. If you are using an iOS device, simply go to the App Store and make a search for VoxPopMe and you'll find it at the top of the search results. As you can see, the app has a 4.7 rating and review out of 5 on the App Store. On the other hand, if you are using an Android device, you'll find the VoxPopMe app on Google Play Store. Just download it and create an account. It's all free, so you don't have to worry about paying anything before you start using the app. The only difficulties you might come across when creating your account for this app is not having a project code, but you can still get the project code by contacting the support team. So first of all, after downloading the app, you will need to create an account. To do that, you will need to enter a unique project code included in your project invite. If you didn't receive any project code, you can still contact the support team for your project code or email them using the email address hello@voxpopme.com. Next on the creation form will be to enter your first and last name and your email address. Then you also want to set up your password. The email address you enter and the password you use when creating your account is what you will use to log in into your VoxPopMe app later. When you log into your account, all the questions available to you will be shown on your VoxPopMe app questions tree. If you can't see any questions available to you, they may be scheduled and will appear to you soon. Now, as soon as you start answering your questions and you've answered enough questions, you can simply check out your money using a PayPal account. Now, I know after you have checked out this app for yourself, you'll quickly agree with me that you cannot make a substantial money using the app. But if you are looking for some quick cash to reinvest in your real online money making business, I would recommend you to give the VoxPopMe app a try. You can use the money generated from this app to run a paid ad for your real money making business or pay for a particular tool or product that will help you grow your business. Now, here are some quick tips to use to increase your VoxPopMe earnings. First, you want to make sure that the email you use when signing up matches your PayPal email address to avoid payment delays. You want to make sure your videos are on topic and address all the questions asked. You also want to try to make your responses or your answers between 30 to 60 seconds long. You want to make sure that your face is clearly visible in your video and speak out clearly. You might also want to enable the push alert in the app to be notified as soon as a new question becomes available. So there you have it, an easy way to start making money within the shortest time possible. Now, if you would like to get more video tutorials like this on how to make money from $0 to $100 in just 30 days, make sure to check that link in the description box below this video. And with all that, I hope this was another helpful video. If so, hit the like button below, share on your preferred social site, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss another helpful video.